Each year in excess of 30 million students graduate. Ones out of campus. They are vying for roughly 10 million jobs in the market. Of these available jobs, only 30% of these vacancies get visibility amongst the prospects, suggesting many of these go unaccounted for. The supply and demand mismatch is certainly a matter of concern, but we often hear corporates complaining about not finding adequate talent. Well, that's puzzling with such a large pool. At Vega, we are aiming to tackle these challenges step by step. The first step in this regard is a marketplace for the transition from colleges to corporates, aptly named Vega C2C. The focus would be to bring the companies, colleges and candidates on a single platform to strike a conversation. One platform for colleges and students to manage student database profile, one-time profile creation, one-click campus invitation, all vacancies in one place, complete application workflow, pool of candidates from multiple campuses. There's a lot more to come on the platform. Stay tuned in. Book a session to get a free demo and start your free trial now.